Ever wondered if you could ditch your wallet and just tap your Android phone to pay using Apple Pay? Well, let's get straight to the point. The simple answer is no, you cannot use Apple Pay on an Android device. Apple Pay is designed to work exclusively with Apple products like iPhones and Apple Watches. This limitation comes down to the way Apple Pay is built. It relies on something called the secure element, which is a special chip inside Apple devices that securely stores your payment information. This secure element is linked tightly to Apple's NFC near-field communication technology, which is what allows you to tap and pay. This secure process ensures that your payment details remain safe and encrypted, making transactions quick and protected. Android phones also use NFC for mobile payments, but instead of Apple Pay, they have their own system called Google Pay. Google Pay works in a similar way, letting you store your card details and make contactless payments at compatible terminals. Because Apple Pay is specifically made for Apple's ecosystem, there's no way to install it or use it on an Android phone. So, if you're an Android user looking for mobile payment options, Google Pay is your go-to solution. There are also many other mobile payment apps and bank-specific options available on Android. Depending on your bank or region, just explore the Google Play Store to find what works best for you. To sum it up, Apple Pay and Android are like oil and water. They just don't mix. Stick to Google Pay on your Android device and enjoy the convenience of contactless payments.